Yo, what's up guys? My name is Silent Koi and today I'm going to be listening to a song from Eve. I have already heard it. It's called Yuseiboushi and its English translation, I guess, is living idly and dying as if dreaming. I assume that's what that's supposed to be. And yeah, so I heard it, I think, back in 2021, end of 2021. And that's a year I definitely discovered him. And I got a lot of recommendations on my other Eve reactions for it, and I was like, I already heard it, but I don't mind listening to it again because it's a good song. I've never seen the MV and I also don't know the lyrics, so still some fresh stuff to see. So that's about it. If you guys end up enjoying the reaction, feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and here we go. Yo guys, I'm recording this after the video. I'll have a timestamp when it starts, the actual reaction. But if you guys want to keep on listening, I had a few things to talk about real quick. So I mentioned this at the end of the video, but I'm wondering ways I could like better the overall viewer experience, ways I could improve. You know, if you guys have any suggestions or tips, recommendations, really anything, I'll be sure to listen and consider how I could implement them if I think they're good. And yeah, so I know I don't have like a face cam or anything, and I think that's a a pretty significant part of most reaction channels is they have a face, and I'm not really planning on having one. So I'm just wondering ways I can make these more interesting and better quality. So yeah. That's it. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Just let me know if you have any suggestions. See ya. I think it's definitely like one of the first songs I heard from him though. Or at least like first 10. When I find an artist, I usually listen to a bunch of songs at once. And then find more later on. Living idly and dying as if dreaming. His music videos are already so good, so I'm interested. Like these visuals are they consistently always look like they could be a whole anime. Very high quality. The song has such a great feel too. Yeah, that's cool. Oh. Sorry if you all heard any background noise. No caption. Oh, there we go. Interesting. Yeah, so we're definitely going back through this. There's stuff I just haven't, I don't like remember or never paid enough attention to. I remember most of this, if not all, but up, up, up. Oh. Oh. Instrumental. Cool. I was like, why is there such a long amount of time? Okay. I don't know how I always manage to forget to pay attention to the lyrics. It's not even like, I don't know. But yeah, very immersive here at this start. Get you into the very beautiful scenery. Also a bit dark though. The song is very beautiful, but it has a bit more sadder stuff behind it, I guess. I really like that part. Yeah, the visuals are so good. Also, these lyrics. Truly has such a good voice. That's cool. The like background vocals. I'm pretty sure it's still him though. I don't know. That like little dun 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 dun, dun or whatever. I like that. Didn't go back enough. Just want to hear it all again. I don't even know. I mean, it makes sense why people like the song. It's amazing because I find his music videos to be, and also lyrics, but that kind of goes with any song. But I find his music videos to be very like, it adds so much to his songs too. The songs are great. The music videos add like the immersion. So you get like a full experience, I guess. It's a really nice full visual audio experience. Audio visual? Yeah.
した誰も知らない世界で願ったあの日の物語へと
Okay, yeah, so that is. Wait, I actually. Did I say that right the first time? Yuseiboushi, yeah, I did, okay. Yeah, great song. So, I actually wanted to say, if you guys have any, like, preferences or, like, recommendations, like, tips on, like, how I should structure these videos, or I don't know, things I can improve. I'm all open ears, because I really want to make this a lot better. I'm still very new, so still trying to figure stuff out, and yeah, because I'm also like I have yet to do it, but I want to make it so that my audio is separate from, like, my voice audio is separate from the video and music, so that I can, like, adjust volumes after recording if I need to, because I'm never like fully sure if the song is too quiet, too loud. And also I'm like questioning, should I be commentating over, like, the first, like, listen? Should I be reacting over that stuff or not? Because obviously I don't have, like, a face cam or anything, and I'm still trying to provide a good experience. So yeah, I'll take any recommendations you guys got, and see if it would be helpful. Also, let me know if you enjoyed the reaction. Let me know if there's anything you want me to listen to. I take any recommendations, and as long as I remember to listen to them, I will check them out. And let me know what you thought about the song. I know I literally got not that many, but some recommendations for it. So I know it's probably a pretty popular song with him. I'm not very, like, big on, like, media stuff and, like, community, like, around this, so I kind of just, like, listen, see new uploads, and, like, find new stuff from either the artists themselves or maybe some people who reacted to new things. That's kind of how I find my music and whatever Spotify gives me. So I'm not very in tune with the community behind any of these artists. So yeah, I assume it's a very popular song, but I don't actually know. But I really like it. There was also I know this is gonna I have a lot to say, but one other song I remember being recommended, which was Leo. That was probably the first song, like, one of the first songs I ever heard by him, and probably the most played song I had for a while from him. It's one of the most, like, memorable songs from him for me, and I do want to listen to that one again and tell my thoughts. So yeah, that's about it. And kind of already gave my outro before. I'll see you guys in the next one.